Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Dude's Tech. In today's video, we're exploring the best digital coin microscope you can get your hands on. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Tomlov DM9 Pro. Let's get started. Product feature: crystal clear display. Experience stunning 1080p resolution on a 7-inch IPS screen. The wide 178-degree viewing angle ensures vibrant, lifelike colors, making your inspection work comfortable and visually beautiful from any position. Full coin viewing. Thanks to the 8.5-inch extended metal bracket, you can finally see your entire coin in a single frame. This extra height is a game changer for collectors wanting a complete, detailed perspective of their treasures. Premium build quality. Crafted with a durable aluminum bracket and base, this microscope provides exceptional stability. It's a rugged, long-lasting companion designed to stay steady during your most delicate technical inspections. Incredible detail. Dive into the microscopic world with 10x to 1200x magnification. Combined with a 16-megapixel photo resolution, it captures the finest details, allowing you to analyze tiny features that are invisible to the naked eye. Seamless connectivity. Sharing your discoveries is easy with simultaneous HDMI and USB output. Connect directly to a monitor or TV for a larger-than-life view without needing any complicated extra software to get started. Optimized lighting. See every texture clearly with 8 built-in lens LEDs and 2 flexible side lights. This adjustable system ensures your subject is perfectly illuminated from every angle, even in the most challenging shadows. Remote control convenience. Capture photos and navigate settings effortlessly with the included wireless remote. This allows for hands-free operation, ensuring your view remains perfectly still and focused while you document your work. Pros: the Tomlov DM9 Pro feels like it was truly built with the user in mind. The generous screen size and incredible clarity make it easy on the eyes, while the extended height is a total blessing for coin enthusiasts. It's rare to find such a sturdy, all-metal construction that offers both professional-grade precision and such a friendly, approachable setup for hobbyists at home. Cons: while the screen is beautiful, it is quite glossy, so you might notice some reflections if you are working directly under very bright overhead room lights. Also, the extreme level of detail means you will want to keep your lens very clean to ensure you are getting the absolute best picture quality possible every time. Final thoughts: there is something incredibly special about seeing the hidden history and craftsmanship of a rare coin or a complex circuit board brought to life. This tool isn't just about magnification, it's about the joy of discovery and the confidence it gives you in your work. Whether you're a lifelong collector or a dedicated tinkerer, it adds a layer of wonder and precision to everything you touch. Your journey into the tiny details of the world starts right here. Check the price link in the description, subscribe to Dude's Tech, and like this video for more great tech insights. Thanks for watching.